Let's talk about ISI certification. Many times you have here what is a ISI certification. So ISI certification is a certification maintained and controlled by the BIS, Bureau of Indian Standards. So BIS allowed the ISI mark to any products for the guarantee after ensuring its quality or its reliability and safety. So ISI mark is the reliability and quality and safety mark. So BIS take all the aspects to investigate the quality, safety and reliability of the that particular product which required ISI certification. So ISI certification is the guarantee of the reliability, safety and quality of that particular product. So what are the condition, what is the procedure, and what are the documents requirement for the ISI certification, I will tell you through this video. So let's start. The quality and standard of products with ISI mark are set up as this marks is issued after proper investigation. The BIS issued ISI mark. So after ensuring the quality and standard of that product, the ISI mark only issued after that ensurement by the BIS. If you are not satisfied with the quality of the product with ISI mark, then the company will give you new product in return to it. An action can be taken against the manufacturer of the product with ISI mark in case of its bad quality. If any manufacturer does not fulfill these condition, then his ISI certification shall be cancelled. So what is the procedure? These are the steps involved in the registration process of ISI certification. Applicants are required to apply online for grant of registration. There should be test report issued by labs recognized by BIS under CRS to be submitted with application. All foreign applicants having no license office or branch office located in India have to appoint authorized Indian representative as per the guidelines issued by the BIS in the prescribed nomination form. Authorized Indian representative applicants located outside India have to submit an affidavit. All applicants located in India have to submit an affidavit come undertaking as per format C. Fees to be deposited as per the fee structure for CRS. Application form shall be filled online. Hard copies of application to be submitted within 15 days of online submission of that application. In case of non-receipt of hard copies of application within 15 days of online submission, the application will be treated as closed. BSL will scrutinize the applications. All queries on the application will be raised by BSI online and have to be replied by applicants online. So this whole process is virtually. Apart from the submission of the hard copies of the application form, the shortcomings communicated have to be compiled by the applicants without any delay. It has to be remembered. Once query is satisfactorily resolved and affidavit come undertaking has been submitted, registration is granted by the Bureau of Indian Standard. The grant of registration letter will be uploaded on the applicant's portal. So the registered manufacturer can request for inclusion of new models of the same products and brand under same registration number. For details on inclusion, you may click here. Registration is initially granted for 2 years, which has to be renewed after every 2 years. So these are the documents required for the ISI certification. Copy of acknowledgement received from portal, screenshot of the online file submission, address proof, business license and other documents issued by the government authority. Fee correlated with number of TRS, signatory for application, form 6, brand name, undertaking, authorized Indian representative and affidavit or the test report. How Lodox can help? This is faster and time-bound delivery of work at the end of Lodox. Lodox ensure that you will get all the real-time update regarding your application of ISI certification. There is scientific expert to advise you on quality issues. There are legal expert who will help you in the documentation part. So you may opt the Lodox services. You may get expert assistant by clicking on WhatsApp now click. You may inquire the specialized information regarding the ISI certification by filling these relevant details or required detail, and you may submit by clicking on this tab. So these are the relevant information regarding the ISI certification. Thank you.